Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes. Today is Monday, April 12th, 2021, and I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Hope you have great vacations and have a lot of fun, rest a lot, because we are going to start working this week. And what we're going to do first is talking about the house vocabulary, the parts of the house and the furniture that are in those parts. For example, the first part of the house that we're going to see is the bedroom. If you know, there are some things that are in the bathroom, like the shower, that is where we take the shampoo, that is what we use to wash our hair. Maybe the bathtub, that is where you take the bath and relax. We have the towel, that is the thing that we dry our hands or maybe ourselves. The mirror, to see ourselves and put some pretty, maybe comb your hair. The sink, that is where we brush our teeth and wash our hands. The toothbrush, that is the thing that we use to brush our teeth. And the toilet, that is where we go number 1 and number 2. And the other part of the house that we have is the living room. In the living room we can find a telephone, and then the table, maybe a wine chair, a fan, a carpet, a table, and cushions. These are the cushions. The sofa. Maybe you can find some pictures, a television, maybe a fireplace, I don't know, a lamp, and of course the remote for the television. These are some things that you can find. Think about it. What things do you have? Do you have a television in your living room? Do you have a lamp, a table, carpet? Think about it. Think. You can look your living room. Oh yes, I have a carpet and stuff like that. In your bedroom, this is easy because you know the things that are in your bedroom. For example, in your bedroom, you can have maybe a television. You can have a nightstand with a lamp, a hope chest, that maybe is where you save your toys and stuff like that. Maybe you have the desk, that is where you work, a desk, a bookshelf, that is where you save your things, your books, your maybe, I don't know, your projects and stuff like that. The dressing table, that has a mirror so you can comb your hair and stuff like that. Maybe you have a telephone, a clock, and pictures. A lot of pictures, posters. I don't know. There are a lot of things. And of course, the bed. In your bedroom you have a bed and pillows. So those are the things that you can find. The furniture of your house, of your bedroom, sorry. In the kitchen, we're going to focus in the microwave, the dishwasher, the toaster, the stove, the oven, the refrigerator, the cabinet, the shelf, and the drawers. You can also have a table and chairs, but the other things are the things that we're going to focus. So the microwave, you can identify them, the stove, the oven, the drawers, the cabinet, the shelf. So we're going to see it more deeply tomorrow, but this only for you to familiarize a little with the vocabulary. So maybe you have the dining room. In the dining room, you can find table and chairs. That's all of what you need to know. You have tables, you have a table and you have chairs. So it's because the function of the dining room is to eat there. So that's true. You have table and chairs. And lastly, in the garden, you can find flowers, lawn or grass. You can find the bench, plants, maybe a bird box, a washing line. Here in Mexico will be el tendedero. The fence, that is the thing that separates a house from other house. And I don't think you have a garden shed. That's not very common here in Mexico, but maybe you have it. And that's it. Yeah, so you have the flowers, plants, bench, lawn, bird box, fence, washing line. Maybe you have a tree. I don't know. And the garden can be very, very, very big, very, very small. I actually don't have a garden in my house, but I would like to have a big garden. So that's all we're going to see today. And yeah, that's all we're going to see today. So I'm happy that we're back. I hope to see all of you tomorrow. Have a very nice day, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video, and see you tomorrow.